I woke up with a timer on my wrist, 24 hours. No one else can see it. They think I'm losing my mind. But I know it's real. Every choice I make, every step I take, the numbers jump, helping an old woman cross the street. The timer slows down, snapping at a slow barista. It speeds up, stealing precious minutes. I ran through the city, a frantic race against an invisible clock, trying to buy back seconds. I thought it was a countdown to my death. But as the final moments ticked away, I looked in the mirror and saw the horrifying truth. The timer wasn't counting down to when I would die. It was counting down to when I would become something else entirely, something monstrous. And the clock just hit 0. What happens next? Watch the full film, link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.